Hey everybody, Double K here with KevTech. Today I'll be sharing you my experience unboxing and installing a socket fan light. This is a fan that screws into a light socket, no extra wires needed. I picked this up from Home Depot for just about 50 bucks. So you can see here. The reason why I think this might be a good fit for me is I have a walk-in closet that I use half of for a little bit of a gaming setup with a desk and a computer. And during the summer it can get pretty hot in here. Sometimes upwards of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, for those of you outside the United States, 27 degrees Celsius. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and see how much is involved here. It seems like it should be pretty simple, cut and dry. So right on top, we have the user manual here, owner's manual. A little bit of space filler, a little empty box there. We have first set of parts right there. Looks like some blades and some socket pieces for the light socket. And getting down to the bottom there, looks like we have the motor. Okay, so everything's out. Let's spread it out and see what we got. So as you can see, here's everything. We have the motor. We have a remote control. Again, the instructions. Two extenders, depending on how low you'd want to have it from the ceiling, what your situation is. And lastly, flipping around to the other side, we almost forgot, hidden under here, we have the fan blades. Okay, 4 of them. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we got our assistant here, Simon. He's gonna give us a hand. So it's gonna go over everything real clear. So we have the instructions, we have the operating manual, and they had to make it a point to put a big red notice in here, not to forget, and put a sticker on the remote. So pull the tab out to activate the battery, CR2025, before you use it. So if you know somebody that really needs that many instructions, tag them in this video. It's a nice little holder it comes with, mounts on the wall. They even have anchors or double-face tape. Or you can just use the screws if you got a solid stud behind it. So here's the motor. It's got an LED light built in. It's nothing to do there. We're going to go ahead and screw one light extender on it for the socket because I want to have a little space between the motor and the ceiling, just to really move the air around. We have 4 blades here. Now you notice that on this side of the motor where the blade would go is smooth, and on the other side you have the 3 raised ridges there, which you can see on the blade as well. They mate together. Just firmly push them in, they snap right in place. So we're going to go ahead and do this 4 times. And it's as easy as that. So voila, looks good. I think we're ready to go ahead and install our fan. Very good. Let's do it. All right, everybody. Here we are in the walk-in closet. This is our light bulb that we're going to be taking out and installing our fan right into that socket. All right, so here we go. I'm going to simply remove the old bulb. Here we have our new ceiling fan. Okay, she's snug there. Now I could also remove this extender and have it flush to the ceiling. But I want to have a little bit of space to push the heat out. So we're going to go ahead and power it on and see what we got. So we're going to go ahead and set up our remote now, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we remove the tab to activate. Alright guys, so here's the light setting. We have the remote. Every time you press a button on this remote, it's kind of cool. It makes a little beeping sound. So there are 3 light settings, so I guess low, medium, and high. So we're going to go through those. We're at high right now. So the next time you press the button, we'll turn the light off. Then we're going to press it again, and we're on low, medium, and high. So yeah, that's how your lighting goes. Guys, before we wrap this up, let's just give a shout out to my assistant Simon here. He was a big help. Everybody say hello and thanks. So in final, the fan itself, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm really impressed. Because a little thing like this, I figured, okay, it's going to move the air around a little bit in the room and maybe help kick the heat out a little bit. But this thing, so we're going to go. Just check this out. I have it on the low light setting right now. So that's the low setting. And you can already feel it kicking up a bit of a breeze in here. I mean, it really makes a difference. Plus this closet isn't so big. We're going to go to medium. And she's really putting some time in there. And this gets a little scary when you go to high. Like this thing is ready to take off. But it is pretty stable. It's not really wobbling or anything. And it feels good in here. One thing I want to add real quick. This fan is not reversible. It only spins one way, and it does blow downward, and it is very strong. Thumbs up, definitely recommend it. Guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.